Hey you guys, what's up today? Welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be playing with this dog here, and yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. I want to go for 100 subscribers. That's my aim. 100 likes. Let's go. Let's do it.
What's up, guys? It's Isaiah here. I want 10,000 subscribers. If I got to say it on my Let's Build a Tent video, but how to make a
See if you'll run.
Gotta get her up. Ori! Come on, girl. Go get him. Go get him. Yeah, now she's going. She's going. Keep running, Evan. Oh, you got him.
And then I say each time we get caught, we switch, so now I'm the cameraman.
All right, now Evan's going to be cameraman.
So,
what's up, guys?
He's going to be being chased by the dog. Oh, it's exhausting. Ori!
Ori!
Ori, look! Oh. Ori! Ori, go! Here goes. Go, go! Zoom in on him. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, he juked him! Go, 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 go. Oh, crap!
Guys, comments down below. Who do you think ran longer?
I think it was him, but he's gonna be cameraman. Even though, yo, you had to still run, dude. You even got caught. Sorry, bro.
Oh.
Ori, get him! Ori! Ori! Ori!
She's doing something over there.
Ori! Hey, go get him, dog. Go get him.
Alright, guys, looks like she's tired.
Go get him. Yeah, I guess she got to wear out. Well, we're not ending it here. This is a very short video right now. We got some horses over there.
But those ain't ours, those are neighbors.
Yeah, they ain't our horses, guys.
Did I ever hurt you? Just mixed up playing.
Alright, maybe no juking. Run! See if she'll follow. There she goes! She's gone! Did she get you? Ori! Ori! Alright, guys. Hasn't got him yet.
Yeah.
How hold are you? You take off.
There's a storm down that way. Who's in the camera?
I guess I'll run now.
Nah, I'm showing them a storm. Guys, there's a storm coming that way.
I guess I'll run. She can't catch you.
There's a storm coming that way. Can you hear thundering? So we're gonna go ahead and go back inside.
No, guys. We're safe. We're just taking a bit longer. All right? Oi!
Let's go look at the horses and goats. Oh, goes down.
Oh, yeah.
Not yet.
Oi! Oi! Oi!
She's tired. She probably has to go to the bathroom. I'm gonna show them the horses. All right, guys. So, got some horses over here. Look at this giant hole, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at this. These giant holes. Here's the horse. Here's a horse. This one is that's a female. Female horse.
There's a goat.
That's these two. That one's a female. That one's a female goat. That's a male goat. And the one that you're seeing, the closest one is the closest horse right there. With the white stripe down its nose is the female. And then the one that looks like Spirit is the male. And here's a goat sticking its head through the nose. To the gate. Alright, guys, can y'all hear that? We're gonna go ahead and go inside.